a good question.
A 6'2" teenage boy is gonna sleep in that?
That is correct.
Yeah, he is. And not only that, but he brings friends along sometimes, and they sleep on here as well. So you gotta love your neighbors when you sleep on the dinette. Okay, so now we're going to talk about the measurements of the dinette in the 89 RB Adventurer Truck Camper. The bench that I'm sitting on right now is right against the refrigerator, and it is 39 inches long. The one that Steve is actually sitting on, which is right next to the door, is the shorter one, and that one is 32 inches long. It has the extension that you pull out when you make it into the bed, and it extends it to 39 inches. So it makes it more of a rectangle shape when you are using it as a bed. The whole bed length ends up being about 74.5 inches long. It can accommodate, like I said, Jake, who is 6'2". Now the cabinet that's underneath this bench seat is 24 inches tall and 22 inches long. So it's enough to hold a couple of things under there and some pretty useful storage. So that's the measurements. I'm also going to transform it into the sleeping area that Jake sleeps on when we go camping. He does bring a friend with him sometimes, and they both sleep here, so you gotta love your friends really well to be able to be this close in the sleeping area.